Hi guys, Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice our Jamaican Patois. But before we do that, remember to hit that subscription button, give this video a thumbs up, and when you're finished watching, leave a comment. So today, how are we going to practice our Jamaican Patois? We're going to be using this book, and I'm going to be schooling David and Hannah. Can you please say hi?
Hello.
Okay, before you learn any language, the first thing you do is you learn your ABC, right? So I am going to say the Jamaican ABC for Hanu and David. Are you ready? Are you ready, my audience? Okay. Okay, that was just for fun, guys. In Jamaica, there's no alphabet. We speak English, or official language is English. But as children, we sang the ABC like that, like A, B, C, L, M, L, P. That's the funny part. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this book. This book has English and Jamaican words from A to Z. So we are going to be starting from the beginning to the end. So we're gonna be doing 26 letters. All right, so let's start. Enough with the long talking. Alright, are you guys ready? Okay. So the first word begins with the letter A, and it's orange. Orange.
Is that a fruit?
Yes, it's a fruit.
Is it orange?
Yes, it's orange. Me, I go pick couple orange. Do you want to translate it?
I'm going to pick a couple of oranges.
Yes, correct. Okay, so the next one is B. Baby mother. David, do you want to try that? Baby mother.
Baby mother.
Baby mother.
Baby mother or mother.
Okay, so in English, it's the mother of one's baby. My baby mother no tap ask for money. That C. Chaka chaka. David is supposed to know this one.
Well, so.
You say so?
So.
Okay, David, what do you mean?
Untidy person.
Yes! It means you're untidy. Exactly, David. David, you know that one very well, my dear. The letter D. Don't grow. In don't grow.
Oh, he's finished going.
Not really. Kind of, but not really.
He's an adult.
No. Don't grow. Okay, so it means in English, it's a term used to describe midgets, dwarfs, or any really short person.
Don't grow.
Done.
Don't grow.
Yeah. Okay. E. Ina. Sorry. Ina. Ina. The word Ina. She never come in the car.
She never came in the car.
She komt niet in.
Yes, you're right, David. She never came inside the car. So, F. Family. Like, we are family. No, sorry. It's not family. It's family. Family. We are family. You guys are our family. It means family.
It means family.
Yes, it means family. And in a patois sentence is, my family I go pan one trip. My family I go pan one trip. And in English, my family is going on a trip. Cool, huh? The next word is galang. David knows this one. David, you know this one. Galang your yard. Galang your yard. No, don't go anywhere. Stay with us. Stay with us.
Going on?
It means go on. Go on. So galangaya yard, go to your yard or go home. Yeah. Guavalicious. Guavalicious. David, do you know it?
Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Guavalicious?
No, never that.
Okay. So guavalicious is greedy
Like you.
or craving. Yeah, like me. When someone say you're guavalicious, it means that you're greedy, basically. Yeah. We're at the letter H. And the word is heg. Do you know what it is? David?
Egg.
Yes, egg. This is one thing you should know about Jamaican, right? So we leave the H's of some words and we put them on some words where they're not supposed to be.
But it's fair.
We balance it. The next letter is I. Idle.
Clumsy.
No, I've never heard of.
Idle. So in Patois it's spelled I-G-L-E, idle. And in English it's idle. I-D-L-E. The boy the idle you see? The boy the idle you see? Next, juke. Juke in the air. I got juke in the air.
Push, point.
Picture it. No. What?
To stick. K. Letter K. Catch. I mean, you know, catch.
Catch, yeah.
What is it in
But
English?
No, so it's a C, no?
Yeah.
Catch.
But this is K.
Okay, catch.
Sorry. K-E-T-C-H. David?
I caught a ball.
Yes, catch. Me I go catch some fish or make we catch some fish. Letter L. Left.
Leave.
Yes.
That I heard of.
Good job, Hannah. Leave. Eh?
Like left me sudden.
Left me?
Sudden.
Huh?
Leave me something.
No, say it in Patois.
Left me sudden.
Left me some?
Sudden.
Something. Okay, yeah. Left me something, no, man. Yes. Or, Miss Effie left me alone. I tell David this all the time. David left me alone. Alright. The next word is morning. Morning. Yes. Next word, needle. Needle. Good, David. You see, you know part one more than you think.
No, you just.
The next one is ongle. Ongle. You should see their faces. It's crazy. Ongle. Ongle means only. Ongle one. A ongle one left. Me can't give me apple. A ongle one left. SP. Alright, everybody knows pitney. We don't want to do pitney. We don't want to do pitney. So let's say picky. Take where you get your too picky. Take where you get your too picky. Don't be picky.
No, picky then.
Picky, yes. But yeah, picky, yeah. But extremely selective would be a more appropriate English pronunciation. Extremely selective, or take whatever you get. You're too choosy. Okay, Q. Quati. This you guys won't get. I'll just tell you. Quati means penny. Not even quati may have figure. R. This one is kind of, sorry, it's a slight profanity. It's rotted.
Rotten?
It's that there's not really any. No, it's not rotten ham. There's no real pronunciation. Okay, S. Sit down. Sit down.
Op de ear.
English. Sit down.
Sit down. T. Tailor.
Taylor.
Tailor. Correct. Here is our next word to observe. Thursday. Okay, you guys don't have to guess that. You know that's Thursday. But in Jamaica, we leave out the H because H's are not really important, right? Not all the time. So we say Thursday. No, we don't say Thursday. We say Thursday. That's funny. Under my nose. Well, in words, it means that you're under your nose, but it means right before your very eyes. That's what we say when we are saying that something is happening. You see, I almost left off my H. Happening. Something is happening right before our very eyes. We say, right under my nose. Right under my nose it did happen. I never know. So, V is veranda. It's a porch or a balcony or something like this. W, wa. Awa. Anyone knows?
What?
What? Walk.
That's a student gets Tana.
Was Chinese for cooking?
Walk. No, it means work. In drop out of school and no one work. Yesterday. Yes, yesterday. Right.
Yeah.
The final one is zine. What is it? Zine?
I have seen it.
No, it's not seen. Zine. You tell me something, I'm going to say zine. It's kind of me saying, okay, yeah man. I'm cool with that. It's cool. Yeah. And that's the Jamaican alphabet and some examples of Jamaican words and phrases. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. But before we go away, I want to give you a tip. If you are going to Jamaica anytime soon and you want to move around incognito, please do not say, yeah man, no problem. Don't say that. Once you say that, Jamaicans know that you are foreign. You're tourist. Avoid this word, yeah man, no problem. Yeah man. No Jamaican go around saying, yeah man, no problem. At least not to people, randomly to people. Okay? So that's a tip from a Jamaican to you. Have a nice day and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Guys, do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye!